everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to Driving with John Chow. I want to take a break from my email marketing business series and focus a bit on perception and value. I talked a bit about that yesterday when I'm talking about creating a lead magnet to get people to opt in, and you got to create something of perceived value. So I want to talk a bit more about perceived value and perception. It is said that perception is 9/10 reality, or perception is reality. That's that is true if you're a politician, because perception is reality. In real life, I would say perception is 9/10 reality. We all have preconception of how things work, how things should be work, and this I guess preconceived conception can lead us into areas where internet marketers can take advantage of us. Okay, so this is why I'm talking about this. Yes, you can use this as a marketer to benefit yourself, and in addition, help the customer, help the client, by confirming their perceptions and bias and stuff. But a couple of things about it. First of all, perception leads to what's known as confirmation bias. So you have something you think that operates this way, and what you do is you will go to try to confirm it. But the thing is, when you're confirming it, as you're doing your research, you tend to only look at the stuff that confirms your bias or preconception, and ignore the stuff that goes against it. So that creates a confirmation bias, and I see this happen a lot, especially in politics. I mean, all you see is, if you hate Donald Trump, you're going to find every bad thing about Donald Trump. If you love Donald Trump, you're gonna read stuff that says they love Donald Trump, right? So that creates an echo chamber where everyone's saying, hey, yes, I'm right, and this is the way it's done, and everyone around me says I'm right because I'm in my own little echo chamber and I'm my own confirmation bias. So anything that proves your bias or conception has value. So that leads me a bit into value. When I say you need to offer something of perceived value, keep in mind that value is whatever someone places on it. It's not what you think it's worth. The thing to keep in mind is that value is what the other person thinks it's worth. Like, you might think it's totally worthless. I mean, there are many things that I think is totally worthless, but someone else, it has great value. So as a marketer, you need to know this and put the value based on what they think, not what you think. All right. So when I say you need to offer something of perceived value, it's from the customer's point of view. So you need to put yourself in the customer's point of view. The other thing about value is that value changes. It's very, very easy to change value. Value changes by just changing the delivery medium. For example, these videos I've been doing on email marketing business, they're on YouTube. They're free. They got great value, but they're free. How do I leverage that? Well, I could just take one of the videos, say how to get more email subscriber. The video I did a few videos ago. How to get more email subscriber. If I were to take that video, put it behind a landing page, and tell them, hey, go, enter your email address and find out how you can double, triple, or get your first 1,000 subscribers. Video teach you how to do it. That has perceived value. That has value right there, and it's valuable enough that you say, yes, I will give you my email address. So I just changed the medium by pulling it off YouTube, which is free, and putting it behind a landing page. The value is worth an email address. Okay? If I were to take all this video series that I'm doing and package it together as a video course, like I turn it into a video course on email marketing, suddenly the value now, instead of being free, can turn into a dollar amount. I can sell this course for money. Okay? So just by changing the medium, you can change the value. And a great example of that is in marketing. I suppose, like, you start off with a free ebook, you can get an email address. Ebook, download my ebook, The value is, give me your email address. I'll do that. That's valuable. It's worth more than my email address. See, the perceived value is always higher than what you pay. Right? So that's the key, right? So an ebook, it's worth more than it's worth this much, but you only want my email address, I give it to you. Take the same ebook, turn it into a physical book that's sold on bookstores and Amazon. Same information, the information hasn't changed, but the value suddenly increases. Now the book is now worth money. People will pay 10, 12, 15, 20 bucks for a physical book. Okay? Take the book, turn it into a video course. Again, the information really hasn't changed, but the value has gone up again. So the video course can cost, you can sell for a couple $100. Take the information again, turn it into a weekend seminar, a weekend live one-on-one or live seminar on a weekend, some hotel somewhere, and suddenly the value increases even more. Now it's worth thousands of dollars for a live event. Right? So value changes with delivery medium. So this is why when some people ask me, hey John, aren't you scared to give away all your stuff for free on YouTube or on my blog? I go, no, I'm not scared to give away all that stuff, because I know if I want to monetize it, all I need to do is just change the delivery medium. So all you gotta do is repackage your information. You already have a lot of valuable information that's worth money right now if you've been blogging for a while, or if you've been on YouTube for a while. All you need to do to pull money out of it is just by changing the way you deliver the value. The way you deliver it will change the value immediately, right? So don't be worried about, oh, I'm not going to give this information out because, then no one's gonna pay for it. They will pay for it. All you gotta do is change your medium of delivery. All right. So don't worry about it. So yeah. So I hope you got value from this. If you did, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and that's my compensation. Okay, there you go. Like the video and share the video, and if you got value from it, please do that for me. And if you're brand new here, subscribe to my channel. I will continue on my email marketing series, and if you hit the notification bell, you'll be notified when I put up a video. So awesome. JohnChow@johnchow.com. See you guys next time.